I'm sure you must have heard about this book, The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. I came across this book in 2016 through a Facebook article which was about 10 books you must read, and one of the suggestions was this book. So, from this book, I want to, I have, the exercises that are given in this book, tried it, transformed my life. So much magic happened in my life because of this book. And in the one chapter of this book I want to show you, which is about the magnificent outcomes, which comes on the day one. So the magnificent outcome is about that when you do something negative or you feel like it will have a negative consequence, you transform it with the power of gratitude. And you say, like, okay, so suppose you told yourself, I'm gonna wake up at 5 in the morning, but you wake up at 11. Now, because of the magnificent outcome, because gratitude has power to convert every negativity into positivity and bring magic into any kind of situation. So you would say, thank you for the magnificent outcome of waking up at 11. Thank you for, and I have used it in so many ways, when I made mistake, when I missed my flight, when I ate something shitty, or even in my business. Like when I started my business in I think 2022, but I started social media before that, and I was showing up in a very out of integrity way. I was showing up, I was trying to portray the image of who I was not, and all of that. In my business also, I was doing it from a survival place, and then I transformed it with the power of gratitude. I was like, thank you for the magnificent outcome of, not showing up in my integrity so far in social media. Thank you for the magnificent outcome of not doing business in a pure hearted way. Thank you for the magnificent outcome of, so many things. I did it, and then, oh my god, because I was grateful and I did this exercise, which is on day 21, magnificent outcomes, I was guided in such a way that I developed so much empathy and compassion for myself. Instead of blaming myself, I was, living in blame and guilty, like, how could I do this? I was shown compassion, like, okay, all your life you have learned to be in survival. All your life you have learned that, okay, or to make money, you have to be who you are not. You have to do what you don't want to do. You have to, money can only be made by deceiving people and all of that. So when I learned this, so I was shown like why I was doing what I was doing. It was not my fault. It was not my identity, but I could have this understanding and move from blaming, from guilty, to compassion and empathy, and to a better solution, because I was grateful, because I said thank you for the magnificent outcome of, not being in my integrity so far and all of that. Gratitude really does transform our lives. And now I'm so, oh my god, wow, the way God, now I'm like, I know I am worthy of love. I'm worthy of successful, being famous, making a lot of money, by being exactly who I am today. Okay, because I was being grateful, then I was guided to this person called Leah. She's a amazing she not influencer, I would say, but she's something on social media, and she's amazing. And I saw her, she's like so incredibly successful and everything, and she shares everything so honestly. So then it inspired me, and I was like, oh my god, but God guided me before, to her video, so that I could learn that, because I was grateful, so that I don't live in blame and all of that. And in so many other situations, this magnificent outcome techniques always work. If you think you have made a mistake, no, because it's a blessing.